What's up guys, welcome back to our third episode on Spill the Tea, where I've already spilled, so I'm not going to spill more today. Spill the tea! We are going to spill a lot of infos to you guys today. In today's episode, we are going to talk about running ads, whether it's worth your time and your money. If you haven't subscribed on our channel, do consider subscribing today. Now, is it true running ads, it's a waste of time and money? Well, no. If you know how to run your ads the right way, knowing the right placement, tactics and hacks that you need, then you can successfully run an ad for your business today. If you haven't started looking into Facebook and Instagram ads, this video is for you today. Stay along guys and see what are some tips and tricks that we are going to share to you guys. Of course, you can post a really good content, engaging, beautiful, it looks like, oh yo, the world itself will be like, wow. But did you know, it's not always about your content. You can post beautiful contents, engaging content, but some of your followers or your databases in your profile, or I would say in simple words, your page, they might get bored. It can be really boring and it can be repetitive. Instead of that, you should use ads as a medium to actually gather new prospects, new followers, and also new customers. Well, the most important thing, by doing ads, you have to always remember what is your objective. A lot of people might think running ads is all about, I just want sales, I just need to see fast money. Not happening, man. No way. If you think like that, you give me the money. I'd rather keep it. By doing ads, it's not always about gathering sales, because most of the brands, they assume by running ads you get sales. But no, there is always a funnel in ads where there are different stages in ads: awareness, consideration, and then it comes to sales. For you to understand in brief words, awareness is where people get to know who you are, what is your brand about, and in consideration is giving them, nurturing them on your services, giving testimonials by a successful client or customers, reviews. Those are the things that falls under consideration stage, and then it comes to sales. In sales funnel is something where you get your ads more targeted to ensure your users or your prospects to actually take an action in your ads. How do you do the right way? First and foremost, you have to consider about the objective of your ads that you are running. Secondly, you should always understand how do you do the right way from your ad setup until it is launched. There are a lot of things that you might need to consider when you are doing your ad setup. Number 1, your target interest. Number 2, your demographics. Number 3, gender. And also number 4, locations. This is how you draft your persona to ensure your ads are being targeted and being seen by the right audiences. But that's not all. It's also the content, or in simple words, how your captions, your creatives are resonating with the intent of your audiences to actually take an action or to consider taking an action towards your ads. Besides that, did you know that all these sponsored ads that you see in Instagram and Facebook appears in various formats and various placement? Did you know that? You didn't know? The most common way to run an ad is the targeted audiences. That is not all. You can also use retargeting options as well. What is retargeting ads? Let's say you are running a targeted ads which actually gather the right audiences, but that person might be in the consideration stage. They might be glancing through different products or your competitors' products. That is when you utilize retargeting ads. When you utilize retargeting ads, you serve a purpose for them to actually take an immediate action to become your prospect customer. And since Facebook and Instagram, they are the same platforms, you can actually retarget your audiences in both platforms as well. It depends on the nature of your business and also your products. Don't know how to start? Get in touch with us today and we'll get our experts to actually walk you through on what you should do for your businesses today. Thank you so much guys for staying tuned till the end of this video. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Comment below on what other topics that you guys are interested to hear, and we will get back to you on a very new video, guys. Bye bye.